Hey guys, Beavis Gaming here. Today I'm gonna be prank calling my sister. See how this goes.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Is Dick there?
What?
Is Dick there?
Can you go fuck yourself and do something better in your fucking life?
One more time. One more.
Is Dick there? Are you sure you don't have any dicks in your family? Hello?
One more.
Go to Anthony right now and see does he have the house first.
Anthony, stop prank calling your sister, you fucking wanker.
Alright guys, that's the end of that video. Hope you liked it. Almost got bashed by my brother. I came in my room. Alright, please like, subscribe and see ya.